You've been scrolling through hacking content for months now. You've watched the tutorials, you've read the articles, you've even bookmarked about 40 YouTube videos you'll watch later. But every time you actually sit down to learn, you hit a wall. The commands don't make sense. The guides assume you already know things you don't. And honestly, it stops being fun fast. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You're not the problem. The method is. Let's be honest about what most beginners actually do. They install Kali Linux on day one. They open a terminal, feel like a god for about 3 minutes, and then have absolutely no idea what to type next. So they Google hacking commands, copy-paste something, it doesn't work, and they close the laptop. The problem is this: most hacking courses drop you into tools before you understand concepts. It's like handing someone a scalpel and saying, go do surgery. Without the fundamentals, the tools are just noise. And the other mistake? Trying to learn everything at once. Networking, Python, Linux, web security, cryptography, Wi-Fi attacks. That's not learning. That's drowning. The fun way to learn hacking has one rule: go narrow, go deep, get wins. Small wins keep you going. Small wins build real skill. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Hacking isn't about memorizing commands. It's about asking questions a normal user never asks. When you visit a website, a normal user thinks, oh, a login page. A hacker thinks, what happens if I put a single quote in that username field? When you connect to Wi-Fi, a normal user thinks, great, I'm online. A hacker thinks, what data is moving through this network unencrypted? This is called adversarial thinking, and it's a skill you can train. The best way to train it? Play games. No, seriously. Platforms like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, and PicoCTF turn hacking into literally a game. You get challenges, you get points, you level up, you unlock harder rooms. Your brain responds to this the same way it responds to gaming. Dopamine, progress, reward. This is the secret. When learning feels like a game, you don't stop. So here's a roadmap that actually makes sense for beginners. Step 1, Linux basics. 2 weeks, nothing else. Everything in ethical hacking runs on Linux. You need to be comfortable navigating the file system, running commands, managing permissions, and reading man pages. That's it. Don't touch any hacking tools yet. Try Hack Me has a free Linux fundamentals path. Start there. You cannot hack what you don't understand. Learn what IP addresses are, how TCP and UDP work, what DNS does, what a port is. This isn't glamorous, but every single attack in cybersecurity touches the network. Professor Messer's CompTIA network plus free content is gold for this. CTF stands for Capture the Flag. These are hacking puzzles designed for learners. They cover web vulnerabilities, cryptography, forensics, and more. PicoCTF is the best starting point. It's made for students, it's completely free, and it's genuinely fun. This is where most guides fail you. They tell you to learn everything. Don't. Pick one lane: web application hacking, network penetration testing, malware analysis, or social engineering and OSINT. Go deep in that one lane, become dangerous in it, then expand. Now let's talk about tools, but in the right order. First, set up a safe lab environment. Download VirtualBox. It's free. Run Kali Linux inside it. This way you can break things without breaking your actual machine. This setup alone removes a massive fear barrier for beginners. For web hacking, Burp Suite Community Edition. It intercepts web traffic and lets you manipulate requests between your browser and a server. Scary powerful, also free. For network scanning, Nmap. One tool, one purpose. It maps out what's alive on a network. Learn this deeply before touching anything else. For practicing exploitation in a controlled environment, Metasploitable. It's a deliberately vulnerable virtual machine. You can attack it legally, guilt-free, and learn exactly what exploitation looks like from the inside. And for the full guided experience, try Hack Me's paid subscription. At less than $15 a month, it is genuinely the best investment a beginner can make. Structured learning paths, guided rooms, a community, and real certificates. The best hackers in the world started with free tools and curiosity. You don't need expensive courses. You need consistency. Here's where 90% of learners fall off. They go hard for a week. They do 5 hours on a Saturday. They feel great. Then life happens. A week passes. They feel guilty. They quit. The fun way to learn hacking doesn't look like a boot camp. It looks like a habit. 30 minutes a day beats 5 hours once a week. Every single time. Here's the formula. Set a daily non-negotiable. 15 to 30 minutes. Every day. No exceptions. On good days, go longer. On bad days, open the terminal, type one command, and call it done. Just don't break the streak. Track your progress publicly if possible. Join the Try Hack Me or Hack the Box leaderboard. Post your progress on Twitter or Discord. Accountability is fuel. And celebrate the small wins. Solved your first CTF challenge? That's huge. Got a reverse shell for the first time? That's a milestone. These moments matter. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Cyberflux. We drop cybersecurity content every week, built for learners who are serious about the craft. See you in the next one.